email campaign within SellerMobile's feedback generator tool, you can completely edit the email that you selected. This is the screen that will appear once you've chosen a template within Email Design. The subject line can be modified here and the body of the email here. You'll notice that we have placed some smart tags where we think they work best within the email. You can always move these around or choose to add new smart tags using the references we have provided here. So for example, if you wanted to add a smart tag after "Thank you again for your order of item name," you simply click, let's say purchase day, you simply select put. And it is that quickly inserted within your email. So remember, this is fully customizable. Once you have it the way you want it to look, go ahead and select Next. If you decide you want to change the template, that's where you would select a different template here. Please keep watching to learn more.